Understanding Bitcoin fees, what beginners should expect. Greetings, explorers of the digital cosmos. Welcome to Crypto Rationality Satoshi Emotion. Imagine the blockchain as a vast, interconnected neural network, a collective consciousness of transactions. Today, we're delving into its circulatory system, Bitcoin fees. These aren't just numbers, they're the pulse of the network, a reflection of its vitality. Let's unravel the logic and feel the emotion behind them, shall we? The philosophy of Bitcoin fees, a digital social contract. Bitcoin fees are more than just tolls. They're a testament to the decentralized nature of this technology. Unlike traditional systems, where centralized authorities dictate costs, Bitcoin relies on a voluntary, incentive-based model. Think of it as a digital social contract. Miners, the custodians of this network, are rewarded for their computational labor. It's a dance between logic and necessity, much like the intricate algorithms that govern our favorite sci-fi simulations. It's a proof of work, a proof of dedication. The algorithmic symphony, how fees are calculated. Let's break down the mechanics. Bitcoin fees are calculated based on the transaction's weight, not its monetary value. Imagine each transaction as a data packet, a story being told on the blockchain. Larger stories measured in bytes require more processing power. Network congestion acts like a cosmic traffic jam. The more transactions vying for space, the higher the fees. It's a dynamic, ever-changing equation, a real-time reflection of network activity, much like the ebb and flow of a complex musical composition. Transaction size, bytes. Think of it as the length of your digital message. A longer message, a more complex story, requires more resources. Network congestion. Like a crowded concert hall, more participants mean more competition for space and attention. Fee selection. You're the conductor of your transaction. Choose your tempo. Faster for urgent needs, slower for economy. Navigating the digital frontier. Strategies for fee optimization. Now, how do we navigate this digital frontier without breaking the bank? Here are some strategies, blending rationality with a touch of foresight. SegWit addresses the efficiency protocol. Like optimizing code for a smoother simulation, SegWit addresses reduced transaction size, making your data packets lighter and faster. Off-peak transactions. The quiet hours. Just as the city quiets down at night, the Bitcoin network experiences lulls. Schedule your transactions during these periods for lower fees. It's about timing, understanding the rhythm of the network. Fee adjustment. The conductor's baton. Choose a wallet that allows you to adjust fees. Experiment, observe, and find your optimal balance. It's about finding harmony between speed and cost. Batch transactions. The collective movement. If you're making multiple transactions, bundle them into one. It's like sending a fleet of ships instead of individual vessels, maximizing efficiency. There are times when speed is paramount, when the Satoshi emotion takes over. If you need your transaction to arrive swiftly, perhaps for a time-sensitive exchange or a critical payment, paying a higher fee is justified. It's about understanding the context, the urgency, the human element within the digital realm. It's like the moment a character needs to make a critical decision in a sci-fi novel, every second matters. And there you have it, explorers. We've journeyed through the intricacies of Bitcoin fees, blending logic with a touch of human emotion. Remember, the blockchain is more than just code. It's a reflection of our collective digital aspirations. If you found this exploration enlightening, hit that like button, subscribe for more voyages into the world of crypto rationality, Satoshi emotion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, may your transactions be swift and your understanding deep.